நீட் தமிழ் அகாடமி சேனல் பெருமையுடன் வழங்கும் பிரபு சேராவின் ஜூனியர் டாக்டர். நான் உங்க பிரபு பேசுறேன். இது நீட் ஜுவாலஜி கோச்சிங்கான ஆடியோ கம் வீடியோ புக். எபிசோட் 5, யூனிட் ஹியூமன் பிசியாலஜி, கிளாஸ் 11, சாப்டர் நம்பர் 22, கெமிக்கல் கோஆர்டினேஷன் அண்ட் இன்டகிரேஷன். டாபிக் pineal gland. This video consists of 4 segments: need points, golden points, bonus point and previous year questions. Need points extracted from NCERT book. Hence, most of the questions in NEET exam asked directly from NCERT book. So the need points from NCERT books. Look at the picture of this. The pineal gland located within the brain. The pineal gland is located on the dorsal side of the forebrain. The pineal gland secretes a hormone called melatonin. Melatonin plays an important role in the regulation of 24-hour cycles, that is technically called diurnal cycle. The meaning of the diurnal cycle means the total one-day duration, that is 24 hours, we can divide into 12 hours in the daytime and 12 hours in the night time. In the 12 hours in the daytime, whatever the routine work we are doing, brushing, bathing, and go to the school or in the office, and during the night time after the sunset, whatever the routine work you are doing, that we can divide into 2 categories: diurnal rhythm, di means 2, that day-to-day activity in the daytime and the night time, which is regulated by the melatonin secreted from the pineal gland. For example, the pineal gland helps to maintain the normal rhythm of sleep-wake cycle. That means that some of us may wake up in the morning at 4 o'clock, some of at 5 o'clock, some of at 6 o'clock, whatever may be the time. All of us wake up at particular time in the morning. All of us go to the bed and get the sleep at particular time in the night. That is called sleep-wake cycle. It is commonly called the biological clock. So whenever we go to the bed at 10 o'clock, the sleep come automatically. If you are not go to the bed regularly, if you are sleeping at 10 o'clock, if you not go to the bed also, the sleep will come at 10 o'clock exactly. That is called normal rhythm of sleep-wake cycle. Then it regulates the body temperature. It also responsible for metabolism of our body and responsible for pigmentation, the skin color, pigmentation of our skin. In the woman, it responsible for regulation of menstrual cycle. And finally, it responsible for defense mechanism in our body. Golden point segment. The golden points taken from the best NEET biology books. So golden points from golden books. Do you know that some of the saint, they may say that open the third eye. That means with the meditation or yoga, they may activate the pineal gland. So the pineal gland have the many names such as third eye, vestigial eye, epiphysis cerebri, atrophied photoreceptor. Pineal gland located in epithalamus of the brain, or else the roof of the third ventricle. Our brain have lot of ventricles like our heart, a small cavity. The pineal gland located the roof of the third ventricle. The pineal gland from the birth to till the age 7, slowly it develops, it grows, and it reaches the maximum size at the age of 7. After the 7 age, slowly it involution, that means disintegrate. Slowly the size reduced. When the people reach at the age of 14, completely the pineal gland disappear. After the disappearance of pineal gland at the age 14, the place where the pineal gland located in the brain, it is occupied by the calcium salt, such as calcium carbonate and calcium phosphate, which is called brain sand, technically called acer uli. Pineal gland made up of 3 types of cells. Number 1, pinealocyte cell. It is a modified nerve cell. We have already discussed pineal gland is a part of the brain which is located inside the brain. So total brain itself made up of nerve cell. So pinealocyte is a kind of nerve cell. Number 2, interstitial cell, and number 3, neuroglial cells. But the pineal gland formed from 2 kind of cell, ependymal cell and glial cell. See the difference. Made up of 3 types of cells, formed from 2 types of cells. The pineal gland hormone, melatonin, commonly called sleep hormone because it is responsible for sleep wake-up cycle. Already we have discussed in NCERT point. Because the melatonin secrete excess amount, more amount during night time, during darkness, during dim light. So the melatonin level in the blood also slowly rise. After the evening 6 o'clock, slowly it rise. During 10 o'clock, it's somewhat night 10 o'clock, somewhat more. At exactly night 12 o'clock, very high concentration. That's why whenever the dark time comes, automatically the sleep comes. At the time of morning, early morning, when the light comes, slowly the melatonin level in the blood reduced. So the melatonin level slowly decreases at 5 o'clock, 5 a.m. to till in the noon, 12 o'clock noon, completely it very less amount, negligible amount. That's why during daytime, during morning time, we are actively working. So the melatonin level in the blood during bright light or daytime, it falls, reduce. Hence, it responsible for diurnal cycle. That's why we call this melatonin is a biological clock. I mean, the pineal gland is a biological clock. That means it's a light mediated response. And also which is responsible for circadian rhythm. Whatever the red color letter indicate, it highly valuable for the NEET examination. So it is responsible for diurnal cycle, biological clock and circadian rhythm. Melatonin also responsible for metachrosis character of the amphibian and reptiles. That means some of the amphibian and reptiles frequently change their skin color in order to suit the background or escape from the enemies. The characters of changing the skin color is termed as metachrosis, which is responsible for melatonin function. The melatonin affects the melanophore of our skin and responsible for fairness of our skin. It reduces the darkness. So melatonin responsible for fairness of the skin, but the MSH, melanocyte secreting hormone, which is secreted from middle lobe of the pituitary gland, darken the skin color. Melatonin fair the skin color, MSH darken the skin color. Both are opposite one. So melatonin antagonistic to MSH, melanocyte stimulating hormone of the pituitary gland. The middle part of the pineal gland secrete another hormone called antigonadial hormone. The function of the antigonadial hormone, it controls the sexual behavior. It inhibits the sexual irritation. It inhibits the development of genitalia, that means external reproductive organ. It inhibits the total function of reproductive organ genitalia. So totally it reduces the sexual activity, sexual behavior of the reproductive system. That's why the yoga in meditation, it activates the pineal gland so that the third eye will open and it reduces the sexual behavior. Bonus point segment. It deals with some of the basic point related to pineal gland. Pineal gland, it's ectodermal in origin. During embryonic development, the pineal gland developed from ectoderm. It is located at the roof of the third ventricle. The weight of the pineal gland approximately 0.1 to 0.2 gram. The shape of the pineal gland, small round body. The pineal gland hormone melatonin, it's an amino acid derivatives. It derived from the amino acid tyrosine or tryptophan. Pineal gland also secretes a substance called serotonin. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter. It not only secreted by pineal gland, the other part of the brain also secrete the serotonin. Now, the recent research says that the serotonin is the main responsible for cyclic phenomena, that is 24 hours rhythm of our cycle. Previous year, NEET questions related to pineal gland. In these sections, you can evaluate yourself how far our video helps to you to get maximum mark. It is a NEET 2014 question. Identify the hormone with its correct matching of source and function. Look at the option A, oxytocin, hormone name, posterior pituitary gland, it is correct. Growth, the maintenance of mammary gland, that function is wrong. Oxytocin helpful for ejection of milk from the mammary gland. So option A is the wrong answer. Come to the option B, melatonin hormone name, source pineal gland, function regulate the normal rhythm of sleep-wake cycle. It looked correct. But come to the option C. Look at the option C. Progesterone hormone name, corpus luteum source, both correct. Function stimulation of growth and activities of female secondary sex organ. Here in the option C, function is wrong. Progesterone hormone responsible for pregnancy and responsible for thickening of endometrium. So option C is the wrong answer. Option D, atrial natriuretic factor is the name of the hormone secreted from ventricular wall, source and hormone, correct. Ventricular wall of the heart, correct. Function increase the blood pressure, this is wrong. The atrial natriuretic factor, commonly called ANF, reduce the blood pressure. So function here it is wrong. So the correct answer is option B, melatonin source pineal gland, function regulate the normal rhythm of sleep-wake cycle. Question number 2, it's a 2011 NEET question. The 24 hours diurnal rhythm of our body, such as sleep-wake cycle, is regulated by the hormone. Easiest question. Option A, calcitonin. Option B, prolactin. Option C, adrenaline. Option D, melatonin. We know very well, many times we repeated. Option D is the correct answer, melatonin. Question number 3, it is a 2000 NEET question. Melatonin is secreted by, easiest question. Look at the option A, pineal body. Option B, skin. Option C, pituitary gland. Option D, thyroid. So the correct answer is option A, pineal body. Thanks for watching this video come audio book. This is NEET Tamil Academy channel Valangum Prabhu Seravin Junior Doctor. Continuously watch our channel videos in order to get maximum mark in NEET exam and subscribe our channel.